US President Donald Trump's tariffs sought to hurt Chinese manufacturing, but for one electronics maker, a turbulent 2025 ended with the belief that China is a location that is difficult to replicate as long as things don't change too drastically. More details in this report.
After Donald Trump's imposition of tariffs last year, electronics maker Julian Technology saw its U.S. orders frozen for months. Many clients canceled purchases, while some demanded that the company set up production outside China. As Beijing retaliated, escalations pushed the levies above 100% on both sides. Back then, the company found a factory to partner with in Malaysia, was in the midst of setting up a facility in India, and even looked at moving production to the US. But it found foreign supply chains were incomplete, leaving it stuck with tariffed Chinese components and higher labor costs in the overseas factories. Then a Washington-Beijing deal removed most of the levies imposed. Now Julian has decided to press ahead with setting up some facilities outside China as insurance against future turmoil. But it's found that overseas operations take way longer to do anything compared with China. And Chief Executive Fabienne Gazorg says the cost and quality of Chinese components also make having a base there more indispensable than ever.
We are changing the world from a free trade system somehow to a multi-tariff situation where having tariff is not only about 5%, 7% something, but more like 10, 50, 100 as it fits their business. So this is the trend we are going there. However, on our side, we see China as the trend that built China for electronic products is just incredible. A typical example is the capability to develop electronic components, which was very weak before, but now they start to have very strong electronic industries, microelectronics, so to developing chips, which is a very future-proof.
Now, Trump is set to visit China in May, against a backdrop of new uncertainty sparked by the Iran war. Gazorg isn't optimistic that the visit will produce a breakthrough.
I don't think that Trump will come here, but he will come here will change much. But he will try to push more his strategies anyways, that for sure, and try to bring more instabilities as he obviously used to do.
Deal or no deal, however, Julian says customers have stopped asking about shifting production overseas. In the end, a year of Trump's tariffs has done nothing to dent this firm's commitment to China.